3 basic elements of dance.
3 basic elements of ballroom dance. Knowing those 3 elements, you can do almost any dance. So what are those elements? So number 1 is a box step, number 2 is a triple step, and number 3 is a rock step. So let's start learning box step right away. So for simplicity, we're going to use our left leg. So we're going to step forward with the left, step to the side with the right, and close our feet together. So this is a half box. Now find your right leg, we're going back, then we're stepping side together. And as we're learning our box step, the very common mistake as we're going forward side together is not to change body weight here. So make sure you're changing body weight so you don't have to step with the same foot 2 times. So this is a box step. Forward side together, back side together. So we can try to dance it together. So and always when we dance, how to get into close position. So the leader's arm going around the lady's shoulder blade, and my left arm with her right arm connected, and have a little bit space here. So if I step with my left, now my partner will gonna go with her right back. So we go back, step together, 1, 2, 3. So by doing this back step, we already doing 2 dances, waltz and rumba. So this is already more waltzy action, where in waltz, it's not what you do, it's how you do. So what makes waltz waltz? It's a little bit rise and fall feeling. So we can already use back step to dance waltz. But if we slightly change action, add a little bit hip action, body action. Let's do it again. You know what? Because we have to be this way.
Which way?
Or this way, not a sideways.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Sideways seems good, no?
Yeah, I don't